Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Veto Pro Pac SC45. I do residential maintenance and this is my EDC pouch. I was using the OC45 for my EDC pouch, but I decided to switch over to the SC45 because it's a little bit thicker and it has a front pocket that goes all the way down. And I know that front pocket is designed to be used with a little removable tool pouch, but I decided not to use this. Instead, I'm just using the front pocket for extra storage. But if you watch the loadout video on the OC45, a lot of the tools in the SC45 are going to be very similar. On the front, I like to carry a work light. This is the E7 made by Woobin. I like it because it has a magnet, so I can stick it on the side of appliances or air conditioners and use it that way. I carry the Weehaw 7-inch pump pliers, the Klein Tools 11-in-1 ratchet and screwdriver, and a disposal wrench. And these tools I keep in the front pocket are tools I use quite often, so having them in the front makes it a little bit easier to get to them. But we'll go on the inside and take a look at it. I've changed a few things out on here, and we'll get into that. But first thing I did was this little V-swap panel that came with it. I took it out, and the reason I took it out, it don't look like it, but it actually takes up more space than you would think. So I just took it out, and instead of using it, I'm using these little straps here for extra storage, but we'll get into that in a minute. I like to carry the Klein 1019 wire strippers, the Irwin 6-inch screw block pliers, and on this side I got the Weehaw side cutters, diagonal cutters, whatever you want to call them. I got a non-contact voltage detector. This one's made by Klein. I like this model because it has a little flashlight built in. I actually have one of these in my main service pouch as well. Carry needle nose pliers. These are made by Klein. I like these because they have little cutters built in. And I carry a precision screwdriver. This is the Klein Tools 32611P. I like this model because it has a bit carousel and it has a little magnet built in, so it's good for retrieving screws. But yeah, that's the loadout. But getting into what I was talking about, my little pockets here. These are actually designed to go right here. So if you're using this vertically, it keeps it from dumping out. But I don't use it vertically. I plan on just laying it on the countertop or on the floor next to me. So I've taken these and I've just put them down against the back. And what that does, that creates little pockets here. And that essentially replaces the need to have that little V-swap panel. You can just use those, and they're a little bit bigger. They're big enough I can actually stick my strippers in there. They fit in there just fine. But again, this is the Veto Pro Pac SC45, and this is my residential maintenance EDC loadout. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.